they're just walking. It's a long walk. Oh my god.
What, he stabbed a construction worker?
It was like another guy. We don't know what started the fight. They just was fighting when we pulled up. We was like,
Welcome to Cartagena.
that's literally what our guy was saying.
Oh, at least welcome to Colombia. We are on a walking tour. We're late because there was traffic and it was hard getting Uber. So if you have a big group, make sure you do 2XL or 2 Uber instead of 1XL because they will take longer or they have none that are available.
Dance, they change in the film. And that's the genesis of that.
They're funny.
I would like you to take a look at how they perform the music. At the end, you can afford them a tip if you wish.
They're playing dominoes.
Offices from where the beauty contest is organized, and these are all of the Miss Colombia. And these are the 2 Miss Universe right there from Colombia, of course. This way, if you stand up here and you look at the distance, you see the what? Let's continue. The best is yet to come. By the way.
Dylan, how you feel being in Colombia?
Awesome.
Awesome?
Yeah.
Raven, how you feel being in Colombia?
Hot but good.
Hot but good? I'll take the answer.
Let me give you some tips. Don't wear black. When it's hot as hell, you're wearing all black.
It's scratching his butt.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's slow.
Hola. Ellos son así, chicos.
Gethsemane is in the Bible. The name is where Jesus Christ.
Watch the.
Talking about a matter of God. This in specific is about most of the Cartagena with what they brought in their head. That's how young. Without exception.
It says keep walking on the flags too.
I'm so weak. When we have to walk 50 hours, we gotta walk 2 miles to get there. Look at me, I'm a flaquita, girl. That's what a free walking zone is.
We're back on the port. You can hear there's birds and flamingos and peacocks all over the place. So we're probably gonna find something to eat and just explore the rest of the port area. It's only 11:30, so we still have a lot of time. Gangway's up at 4:30. But at least we're here.
Hola. This one has fun. Welcome to Cartagena, where the local weather is hot as hell. Look, me the monkey. And it has a little white mohawk. Oh, he about to jump. Oh, don't jump. Oh, don't jump.
I've never seen that before.
It's a TT monkey. It was on the sign.
Look at these. A what? A flamingo.
Where you see them?
So beautiful. They beautiful.
It's cool how they have this port with like all the animals and stuff.
Flamingo. Where are they at?
You guys have fun in Cartagena today?
Sure did.
It was hot, huh?
Yeah, it's hot. I want to go.
We're going to the pool. That's all. Damien, do you need help? Do you need help? No. You sure? It's so cute.
Yeah, close your mouth.
Make a cup. Make a cup. Make a cup like that. See the cup? Hey. Make a cup. What's in his hair? Make a cup.
I don't know.
There you go. And get him. That's how you get him. That's how you get him. That's how you get him. Look, he's running. He's running away. That's how you know you got him. Good job.
Let me see you swim. Go. Go over there and then come back. Okay, come back. Come back. Hey, look at you learning how to swim.
Yeah,
Why you moving?
I was like, yeah.
We're sailing away. Adios, Cartagena.
Hey yo. We're back in the room from being in the pool. We left Cartagena like 3 hours ago, I think. So all you can see is the country in the distance, you know. It is almost time for dinner. It's lightning outside, but it is dress to impress, right?
I'm impressing everybody.
Yeah, girl, with that hair, you already know. He just sat down and he got 13 free plays.